I'm a product strategist for printer firmware, software, and our desktop printer line. A key part of my role is to evangelize, is really the best word, our printer smart printing technology. Well, I'm here teaching software developers from BlueStar partners how to leverage their C# programming experience into our new PM and PC series printer lines by using our new C# for Printers capability. BlueStar is very interested in education and came up with the Smarty Prints tagline as their name for this class. This is actually the second time that I've taught BlueStar partners this class. The first time actually was in Gothenburg, Sweden last December. The training is highly interactive, and one of the best things is that each developer walks away from the class with a PM43 printer and a Honeywell scanner that they can put directly to use in their development work. Absolutely. PM series and PC series printers are the only printers in the world that can actually run C# applications. Both families of printers have full-color LCD displays that make it easy for developers to create rich, graphic applications that help users get more work done. They also have USB host ports so that they can accept input from inexpensive USB keyboards and scanners. And they are highly connected. Virtually any connection method can be used. The PM series, particularly with its full touch display, can run applications that look a lot like those that we're all used to running on our smartphones. Well, that's a great question. We define smart printing as the ability for a printer to run an app right in that printer, rather than having to be connected to a host PC and have that PC application sent print jobs to it. This simplifies the solution by removing the PC and all of its ongoing expense, makes the solution more robust because it is simpler, and reduces both initial and ongoing costs. Probably the biggest benefit to our partners is the ability to get into the business of providing a total solution rather than simply selling a box. By becoming the customer's trusted advisor, solutions are stickier, customers are happier, and quite frankly, partners make more profit. Where do I start? Just yesterday, I was visiting a packaging manufacturer right here in the Hebron area who are currently rolling out their third generation of Intermec Smart printers. They use scanners attached to the printer to eliminate setup errors and to reduce the footprint of the printing solution because the only thing on the line is a printer. There's no PC, there's no screen, keyboard, mouse, and everything else a PC requires. We also have a large customer in the baking industry who's rolled out over 50 PM43s in their wholesale shops. These bakeries are pretty hostile to PCs with spinning drives and open keyboards, but our printers work just great in that environment. The customer uses the built-in keypad to type in quantities. They can select from lists of items just like on a smartphone, and so label batch setup takes a fraction of the time that it used to. Since they eliminated the PC, they've saved over $110,000 in deploying this solution. BlueStar's been great. I remember when we first took you on as a partner and you flew in all of your sales reps and had our teams out for a multi-day training so that you could get them off to a really solid start. At your VARTech events, you've had us do real teaching, not just speeds and feeds. And this Smarty Print events continues that relationship. It is a very effective way to educate our developers.